How to make custom map pin icons in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint. I have this map. Then, to add it, click on Insert at the top and click on Icons. In Icons, search for Location Pins. Click on the one you prefer and press on Insert. After it's inserted, as you can see, it still looks a bit dull. To edit it, simply right-click on it and click on Convert to Shape. After you have clicked on Convert to Shape, you will find Shape Format at the top. In here, click on Shapes and click on Circle to fill up the circle area in here. After you have done that, you will find Color option at the top. It is black, so I'm adding black. After that, you can click on Shape Format at the top and click on Selection Pane. After you have clicked on Selection Pane in here, on the right side, select the icon and the oval shape. Click on the first one and then click on CTRL and click on the second option. After you have done that, click on Group at the top. After you do that, it will move together as you want. You can also change color. After you're done changing color at the top, you can click on CTRL plus D to duplicate your pins. And you can drag it wherever you want. Also rotate it as you want. And this is how to make custom map pins icon in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.